Commercial structure fire, station 23. You're needed. 156 Brighton Avenue. 156 Brighton Avenue. Blue Violet Cafe. Unit source. Engine 11. Engine 23. Engine 84. Q84. Tower 11. Respond on response 1. Ops on 2. Unit C advising fully involved structure fire. Possible entrapment.
It's like two-story commercial building. You got a fire. 23 will be in command.
Advise command. Second building. Heavy fire throughout the second building. 3-story commercial. Establish a collapse zone and let's stay out.
Units respond. Engine 26, engine 28, engine 63, ladder 101, ladder 56, rehab 49, squad 47.
County just advised we do have a collapse in the fire building. Do have a collapse.
All companies, partial collapse Charlie side, partial collapse Charlie side. See, the front wall is moving, so just be advised, the front wall is moving. Just had a major collapse in fire building. Heading down to Tower 84 ASAP, Med 84.
Got a fireman down.
Alright, your stream's overshoot. I'm going to drop it down a little bit.
See, we can't see anything here.
Tower 11, good day, Chief. Bring your ladder pipe toward the, you're going to have to rotate the entire ladder toward the delta wall. Work that whole sector. Beaver ladder, you're right on it. Just keep working that area. Yeah, you're doing good. Just work that whole area right there. Got quite a bit of fire in all that collapsed area. All companies operating. The buildings are in danger of imminent collapse. Do not walk in the front of these buildings at all. Street or sidewalk. Stay out of the front.